I'm Dale Tincher, CEO of ConsultWebs.com. As I hope you have surmised, if you have reviewed our website, watched our videos, and or talked with our clients, we have but one mission, and that is to help our clients obtain cases. Today I would like to talk to you about how to choose a search engine optimization vendor or how to evaluate your search engine optimization vendor. Search engine optimization can dramatically increase a firm's caseload. I often say that there are two main components to having success on the internet. First, firms have to find you. Second, your website must be compelling. We offer several videos that talk about making a website compelling. Search engine optimization is usually referred to as SEO. In this video, I will refer to it as SEO. I want also to refer to Google quite often. Google owns approximately 70% of the search engine marketplace. If you SEO well for Google, you will typically do well in the other major search engines. Why is it important to achieve high rankings? Simply put, it is because the clients that rank in the top 10 will receive virtually all of the cases. Those firms who rank in the top 5 listings will receive a higher percentage of cases than those in the second 5 listings. Virtually all of our clients who rank at the top receive several cases each month from their websites. They receive those cases at a far lower cost than other mediums such as the Yellow Pages, TV, and print. Achieving rankings is not easy. Search engines periodically change the ranking algorithms or formulas that they use to rank websites. They do this for a variety of reasons, but the main reason is because they want to provide high-quality results that match the user's queries. To be successful, an SEO firm must use a multi-pronged approach that includes a variety of components, including high-quality content, proper search engine meta tag descriptions, and proper use of keywords. High-quality relevant incoming links are important. Search engines feel that if a site has high-quality, relevant incoming links, it must have value, or outside sites would not be linking to it, or it must be well established. Both of these are good indicators that a site is a high-quality site. As I am sure you're aware, many companies claim to be able to provide high search engine rankings. Fortunately, you can easily evaluate their results by testing their clients' practice area rankings in Google to see how they rank. Do not, however, simply test a few pet clients that are provided by the vendor. Hopefully your prospective vendor will provide their client list on their website. Unfortunately, many do not. If they do not list their clients on their website, type the vendor's name into Google, find several of their upper-tier clients, and test their rankings. It is important to test their upper-tier clients because some law firms purchase design-only contracts as opposed to design and SEO. We call our upper-tier clients platinum clients. We list all of our clients on our website. Another way to test vendors is to type the vendor's targeted search phrases into Google. Try typing law firm web consultants, law firm web designers, law firm SEO consultants, law firm web marketing consultants, and similar phrases into Google. If the vendor cannot achieve rankings for themselves, they are unlikely to be able to achieve rankings for you. Call the vendor's clients and ask if they are achieving higher rankings and receiving cases. Ask if the vendor seems to be making periodic changes to improve the rankings, or if they seem to make the sale and move on to the next sale. Ask if the firm measures the cost of their cases and if they feel that the return from SEO is better than their other advertising mediums. Ask if they feel that their rankings compare favorably to their competitors' rankings. It is important that your SEO vendor be legal specific. If they are, they will have had experience in achieving high rankings for law firms. They will probably have access to a network of legal sites that will consider linking to your site if it has value. If they also develop websites like we do, they will be able to save you significant amounts of time, since you will not have to educate them on ethics and legal content issues. We save our clients a significant amount of money by being able to design and develop a search engine friendly website rather than their having to work with separate vendors or do one after the other. It is also helpful if the vendor is legal SEO and web design specific. Vendors that, for example, sell books and legal research or do dentist or doctor sites may gravitate to other areas if they can make more money in those areas, or they may apply their efforts or their best people to other areas of their business, leaving you behind. SEO firms often go out of business or evolve into different types of web companies when they cannot achieve success in SEO. Find out how long your prospective or existing vendor has been in business. Find out if your vendor is a one or two person firm or has multiple personnel. A small vendor cannot provide the amount of effort required to achieve rankings. For example, we have a team that develops content that reads well in addition to being search engine friendly. That team is managed by an attorney manager. We have a team that evaluates potential incoming links. Another team develops programming that uses search engine friendly CSS and other programming techniques. Another team checks client rankings and provide rankings reports and other types of reports. Find out if your vendor does the work or farms it out to subcontractors or to offshore workers. If the vendor does not do the work, you will not receive consistent results. Contractors go where the money is, and they prefer to work with their own clients. When they work with their own clients, they make more money and they have more control. Achieving rankings today takes more than simply focusing on the search engines. Ask the vendor and the vendor's clients if the vendor provides advice and setup assistance for Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other networking sites. Ask if they provide press release services, if they can write articles for you. It takes a team of individuals to accomplish all of these items. Ask if the vendor offers exclusive representation for your city or town, or restricts the number of law firms they accept in a town or city. This is important for several reasons. You want them to help you grow, not sell you, then chase the next sale, which may be your competitor down the street or the highest bidder in your city. The vendor must be incented to help you grow. Additionally, you want to be able to share your ideas and not worry about your good ideas going down the street to a competitor. You may not wish to pay for an exclusivity option, but it is good to know that you can obtain one or obtain an option on one. Ask the vendor's clients if the vendors seem to analyze their needs and goals, or if they simply seem to apply their standard processes. Some of the large company vendors try to box their clients into a prepackaged approach rather than tailor a campaign to fit the client. Ask if the vendor also provides complementary pay-per-click management. A strategically developed organic SEO campaign combined with a strategic pay-per-click campaign can work well and be cost-effective. Certainly, you want to learn the price for the SEO. Do not go on price alone, however. One of our clients, Bob Kraft of craftlaw.com, states that a good price is not a good value. Ask the vendor references if the vendor provides personal one-on-one reviews of the firm's rankings and analytics on a regular basis. The statistics can include Google Analytics, server reports, ranking reports, general status reports, and others. Ask the vendor if the vendor alerts the firm to shifts in the search engines and the technology field and offer specific recommendations for improving the website's performance. If you do your homework and all of these items are in place and your website is compelling, you will receive cases from your website. If you would like a copy of this presentation or our free article on evaluating an SEO vendor, please contact us. We hope to see you at the top of the rankings and increasing your caseload.